Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Starfood. Today we are making some delightful mini cheesecake that are so smooth and creamy that you can't resist to have it. So let's get started. First, prepare the crust by blending some digestive biscuits into fine crumbs. Add some butter and a tablespoon of sugar. Mix it until you get a sandy texture. Press the crumb mixture firmly into the bottom of each cheesecake mold, making sure it evenly packed. Pop the molds into the fridge to chill and allow the crust to set. While that's chilling, let's make the filling. In a bowl, beat 1 and 3/4 cup of cream cheese with some sugar until smooth and creamy. Add a splash of vanilla essence and half cup of yogurt. Mix until everything is well combined. Now gradually add 1 egg at a time, mixing well after each addition. Next, spoon the cheesecake batter into the molds, filling each about 3/4 full. Gently tap the tray to remove any air bubbles. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 Celsius for 18 to 20 minutes. Once they are done, let the cheesecake cool in the oven with the door slightly open, then refrigerate them for at least 4 hours. When they are fully chilled, pipe some yummy whipped cream on top and add your favorite sprinkles or fruit as your heart desires. And there you have it, delicious mini cheesecakes ready to enjoy. If you loved this recipe, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tasty treats and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.